What's up, guys? It's Miss Johnson. Today we're going to be talking about words that join sentences. There are 5 words that help us join sentences. Those words are and, but, or, because, so. Just remember that when we join sentences, we're joining 2 complete sentences, and then we're adding or joining words to make it 1 sentence. Remember also that because helps us explain cause and effect, and so also helps us explain cause and effect. I'll show you. When you use the word or, you're giving a choice. So you could have ice cream or chocolate. There's a choice there. The word and combines information together or it adds information. So if I said today is Friday and I'm going to the playground, I've given you 2 pieces of information there. The word but shows a difference or something that is the opposite. So I could say, I really like purple, but I really like orange too. So I'm showing the difference because purple is different from orange, but I can like them both, right? They're opposite. So shows cause and effect. Remember, the cause is what happened, the effect is why it happened. So here I have a picture of it raining, and I have a picture of a raincoat. So my first sentence, or here are my 2 sentences, it is raining, I need a raincoat. Well, I could use one of my joining words to make this 1 sentence. My 1 sentence would be, it is raining, so I need a raincoat. Because also shows cause and effect. Remember, cause is what happened, the effect is why. So here are my 2 sentences. I was late to school. I overslept this morning. Well, I could show the cause, which is what happened, and the effect, which is why that happened, in 1 sentence. I could say, I was late to school because I overslept. So what happened? I was late to school. Why? Because I overslept this morning. Let's practice. Here are my 2 sentences. You march to the top of the hill, you look for the barn. I'm going to show you how you would use one of our joining words to combine the sentence into one, or combine the sentences into 1 sentence. So you march to the top of the hill, you look for the barn. I could use the joining word and my sentence would be, you march to the top of the hill and you look for the barn. Number 2, my 2 sentences are walk by the lake, do not go in the water. I could use the joining word but to make this 1 sentence. Ready? Walk by the lake, but do not go in the water. I'm showing that they're different, right? You can walk by the lake, but you cannot go in the water. Number 3, Marge might win the prize, Charlie might win the prize. I could use the joining word or to show a choice, right? The choice between Marge winning or Charlie winning. So remember, when I use my joining word, I get rid of my period and I use the joining word instead. Number 4, Chin is cold. He does not have a coat. You could use the word because to join these 2 sentences together. And it would read, Chin is cold because he does not have his coat. Number 5, Barb lives far away. She rides the bus to school. Barb lives far away, so she rides the bus to school. Now it's your turn. All I want you to do is I want you to identify our joining word in my sentence. So to help you out, I put a word box here with our joining words. And remember, our joining words are and, but, or. Repeat after me, and, but, or. Very good. All you have to do is identify or look for one of our joining words in the sentence. So number 1 says, who is he and where is he from? Do you guys see a joining word in that sentence? I'll give you 3 seconds to think about it and then just whisper the joining word that you see. Good. I hope I heard you say and. Very good. The word and is in our sentence and it is also in our word box. Very good. Number 2, you can take the high path or you can take the low path. I'll give you 3 seconds. Think about that joining word. Good. I hope you said or. Very good. You can take the high path or you can take the low path. That's giving that choice, right? Or you could take the high path or you could take the low path. You have a choice. Number 3, we are going to take a car trip, but we ran out of gas. Do you see our joining word in this sentence? Make sure you whisper it to me. Absolutely. Our joining word in this sentence is but, right? We were going to take a car trip, but we ran out of gas. Now we're going to use the joining words so, because. Repeat after me. So, because. Perfect. Same thing. All you have to do is identify the joining word in our sentence. Number 1 says, I like bananas, so I went to the store and bought some. Do you see the joining word? Make sure you whisper it to me. Good, and I hope you guys said so, right? We see so in our sentence, and we also see it in our word box. Number 4 says, I bought some chocolate chip cookies because they are my favorite cookie. Do you see our joining word in this sentence? Make sure you whisper it. Yes, good job, guys. The word is because. Very good. It's showing our cause and effect. Perfect. You guys just learned about joining words. Congratulations on doing that. Awesome job, first grade. And remember, the only way to get better is to practice, practice, practice. Adios, friends.